Hey guys, good morning. Oh, come on. Is that serious? What time is okay? Yep. Wait for a little bit of a pullback here. Just a little bit. Go. That's too bad. So first attempt, it didn't break. First five didn't go. I think it's gonna pull back more. Just so, but then mm, go. 84, 7, 8. Oh, out. So it's got to pull back more, obviously. Like maybe here, unfortunately. See, let's see. Just watching level two. Let's see where it catches a bid here. There we go. A79. Come on. Okay. So now we wait. Looks like it needs a 5-minute pullback. Let's see what else is happening. Mm, mm, to the first 1-minute candle here. I think I'm gonna wait though. It feels, I think it's gonna be a bit choppy here. And that's probably for the best. Ideally, maybe we just wait for the break of that, like 408 or so. So I'm not just giving back, giving back, giving back on the way down. Who knows where this is gonna bounce? Thinking it should pull back beneath, well, spread, not the best spread at times. Oh, it's gotta go. 80. Come on now. Go, yep, go. Break, break, break. We're trying to hold up if we can. That's too bad. Ideally, I would have liked to hold straight through 450. but it was being met with a bit of resistance up there. So let them push it back a little bit, right? Let the goofy bears push it back and then we'll go. So we're looking for a proper dip. Mm, kind of feels like it's gonna go just choppy. I'd rather get in on more of like a clean move, not where there's so much resistance here. Okay, $4. Let's go. Oh, well, I guess it was a good thing that trade didn't go, huh? Okay, 97, 6. Oh, one thing I've really, let me size down here. One thing I need to work on or that I'm fixing, let's just change the verbiage or the message here, is cutting losers quick. I really do give my trades quite a while to work, and that just doesn't make any sense. So that's done. I was averaging down. It was weird. It was like something I couldn't help but to do. And that is done. I have not done that the month of February. So that's been nice. It's so darn choppy. You know, I wonder if the float on this is a bit, I mean, this scanner is saying 13 million shares, but just based upon the price action, it feels like it's a bit larger. Let's just check Webull and see what it has. Okay, yep. According to them, it's 13 million too. 52-week high is $4.40. So, oh, you know what? That's probably what the issue is. Let me come here, like the 200 moving average, maybe. I don't see it. Oh, shoot. Hmm. I think I'm gonna wait, honestly. I end up giving back so much, even though I know I don't have a lot of money right this second. I end up giving back so much on these pullbacks, hoping for the bounce, hoping for the bounce. So I gotta do something a bit different. And so this guy is for sure top heavy though, right? So a dollar, okay, 441. Well, so just nothing but topping tails. Only this candle doesn't have one. That's 6 minutes ago. Okay, let me press pause for us. Sorry, it started moving as soon as I pressed pause. I think it's gonna break. It's just so darn choppy. Look at all that volume coming in. And sellers are like, no, not today. No. Mm. Mm. I think I'll just size down for the break of this because at the end of the day, it's pretty top heavy. Um, yeah, well, okay, there it goes. Go. 26. Oh, dang. Okay. Mm, it's a decent dip. 17. Oh, we got out at what, 18 sometimes, 16, of course. Okay. Yeah, topping tail. I guess we gotta wait. Where are these guys trying to take this down to? So maybe quick scalps are better for this one. There's like no breakout. There's no like proper breakout trades happening here. Got like almost 2 minutes to the next 5 minute candle. Yeah, honestly, maybe it's a better play past 437, like the break of that, and then truly just taking a quick scalp. Yeah, okay, it's picking up a little bit of steam. It was a few seconds ago. And I was thinking maybe we could get the first 5 minute here and then break here. That would be a bit of a miracle with how top heavy this is. But oh God. Is this serious? Okay. So we know for a fact we're looking for the break of that 92, which will ultimately probably take it down to 86. And the 5 minute play kind of is not there anymore, right? No 5 minute candle to make a new high. So where is VWAP on this? Way down here. I'm just gonna press pause again. Well, so we knew this was gonna break, right? And then I'm not even watching level 2 to see if this stock catches a bid there, right? Um, mm, okay, it wants to go. We'll wait for a little dip. Oh my God, why is this so hard? Why is this so hard? Okay. All right. 90. Go. 97, of course. Go, 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 go. Little guy just doesn't want to go. Somebody's calling out LUNR over in the Discord. Okay, LUNR. Pulling up on my other screen. Mm, it's got a decent spread. I don't see it on the scanner, so LUNR. Okay, well, the float is 21 million. 52-week high is at $136. Right now it's at 809. When I pulled it up, it was at 830 a few seconds ago. So that's not the best. Last time I had news was yesterday, and it's not, I mean, it's way down on the scanner, so I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. In fact, what I always do is just see if I just see if, so it just let me go short one share, just so I can kind of know if people have the ability to go short on this on TD Ameritrade, because when they do, oh my God, is that for real? Okay, wait. 28. And I bought the top out. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback here. Oh, jeez. That's too bad it's so choppy up here. Let's go. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, 35. I gotta take the little 5 cents. Ay, 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 ay. Mm, okay. Dang. We really missed that dip. We missed a nice dip. Wow. 65. Gotta wait. Oh, that's too bad. That is 64. Go. I could go. Try to hold through the chop. Even though I kind of bought at the top. I definitely bought at the top. Okay. Okay. 65. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's go. I got a penny. Got a penny on that. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Honestly, this should have broke through this level. Instead, we just ended up with essentially a double top. But if this had any bit of strength, it would have broken through and went up to 5. So, it's a bit extended now on the one for sure. Let's see if it finds support here. Let's see. Nope. Yep. 59. Come on. Come on. 63. Okay. Got out mostly break even, I guess. Mostly. Looks like, well, no, not really. Lost a penny. Another topping tail. Yeah, see, I literally just went off and was sending an email on a different PC. All right, so what we got? Like Head and Shoulders? Does it just come all the way back down here now? Yep, okay. So, like I was saying, I think it'll ultimately end up being a giant Head and Shoulders. Um, not that I'm not completely against a trade down here. If it can catch a decent bid, I think there'll be some chop. Look at all that red volume coming in. But it's a bit oversold. I'm talking and not even paying attention to the level two. So I really missed the trade that I was looking to take. Maybe we could have got like 4 cents, 5 cents, which hey, works for me. Oh, a little squeeze going on there. Dang. Bottoming tail on the five. That's what we want. We really should have gotten way back, way, 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 way back. We have truly, truly missed this trade, but we got a little squeeze going. $27, $25. Let's see. Let's see if it catches a bid here. 23. Oh, Let's go. Oh my God. We got to take it, unfortunately. Jeez, oh, Pete, did I miss? I was looking for a trade right in here and I was busy looking at this and not looking at the level 2 to see a good entry. $43, $42, $30. Let's go. $35 is good. That's good. $38. Come on. $42. Gotta take it. That's too bad. Like usually, honestly, I don't scalp this quickly. Okay. 48 was the high of the last 5-minute candle. We got a new one. It's a Doge bottoming tail though, so that's good. Like cup and handle maybe. Um, so I'm thinking we'll get the break down here. Oh, no, maybe not. Okay, somebody says that TCTM is moving, even though I just pulled it up and it is not. It just makes you wonder if it's just that these people are trapped. He said that 6 minutes ago. Okay. I'm just checking the scanner, see if anything else is kind of popping up. So we got TIRX. Let's see, TIRX. Okay, it's not bad. Looks like the float is 2 million. It's up 51%. It doesn't have any news on it at all. And it's like 94 cents with a 3-cent spread. So truly, I think that the trade that, well, got a bottoming tail there. Let's see. Nope. Look at that little, very light buying volume here. Very, very, see how low that is down here? We're halfway through the candle. It's not some place we want to buy. So what I was saying was we're looking for this to break down beneath 412. down here, and then there might be a little trade for us if level 2. You see that? It's not good enough for me. There's not enough buying volume, but you could kind of see it trying to catch a bit of a bid there. But like I said, giant head and shoulders. If we were to move this out, I think it'll be like back down here, 315, when we get closer to 9 o'clock. Coming on down. Even like the trade that I was saying, we come down to 412, right? It's just not really worth jumping in here to get that little bit. There wasn't volume. There wasn't it would not have. Okay, hang on here. What's happening? I mean, we got a new 5-minute candle here. It's actually not looking good. I can start to see on the 5 now we're going sideways, where before we were bullish. Now it's kind of going sideways. And then ultimately, I truly think it'll just curve down and cross just like the 1. Well, let me just press pause. I'm not gonna sit up here and give back. At least. So us being green, 622. Look at that. Because really, truly, any little pop up now is just a bear flag. So if it pops up to here, let's just say, right, to 412, it's just a bear flag right this second. And if you're thinking, what is a bear flag? Oh, shoot, let me see, somebody called out a different SXTC. Okay. Okay, so this has 0 news on it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th down on the scanner. It's up 32%. It has a tiny float of 548,000 share float, which is actually very difficult to trade. I have truly learned my lesson on that. It's just, I mean, at least the stocks I've traded that have that crazy low float like that. But anyways, so back to this, as you can see, just selling off, right? These little bottoming tails that we're seeing now on descending volume, this is just a trap for the bulls. You come back up here, the bears short it down further. In fact, beneath the $4, right? And then it'll just, maybe some type of consolidation. That's what I would see. But so let's just watch. I'm thinking people who are expecting for to hold and don't mind buying on the backside like this. And you got to remember, oh, shoot, the other one actually is going. Let's. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? So in the same candle, it goes up. I mean, think about that. 2,000 shares on this. Let's just say that was me looking for the break of this candle. Let's just say. So I got 2,000 shares up here, and then now I've just lost 50 cents a share. I'm down $1,000. Because like I was saying, these little guys, look at the spread, 10-cent spread, which is good at times, maybe not on something this cheap, but it does help to introduce volatility. But as you can see, both directions. So bulls and bears probably lost on this. I don't think a bear would have went short down here, so they should be good. They certainly would have went short here, right? And the bulls should have seen this topping tail here and not went long. So essentially, you would have had to buy here as it was flushing down and then hope for that pop back up. But why would anybody buy when it didn't hold support here? So to me, I just look at this. I'm just looking at this whole thing as a complete choppy trap for anybody who may have been a part of this. I mean, it doesn't have that many shares, 30,000. That's not a lot. Okay. It was going though. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. I was gonna say. So do you see how we broke through this descending resistance here? So so when you start to see that, which I know we just missed because that other one was going, you can expect a pop because this is where everybody who went short will start to get squeezed. And as you can see, just nothing but giant head and shoulders, which I guess may be everything. Okay, so now we can look for a move like a double bottom, and we'll determine where we're going to get in looking at this level two. I mean, it is above VWAP, so I guess there could be some trades here. You know what? I just think I'm not going to do it. I think I'm just kind of forcing things. At the end of the day, I missed it. I missed the move. And remember what I was saying before? I don't know where we were. Let's just say we were here. And I'm like, well, I think that the Bears are going to break this 403. At least that's what I should have said. And then you see the pop up, and that was just nothing but a bear flag. Bear flag is when it's going down, 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 down. They look for the pop up. For them, this is a dip, right? So they're like, okay, great. This is a new place where I can short this back down. Then they go short again, breaking this, coming down beneath it. It's never enough, as you can see. So they come beneath again. And then for whatever reason, I don't know why, but for whatever reason. And again, you know what? In fact, this could just be market makers making the market here. Just if you think about like a market maker, right? They're on the ask and they're on the bid, and they have to do something to get people to buy. They have to, they're going to manipulate this level two so that you buy. That's just it. That's what they're going to do. And so they could have just painted this bottoming tail, causing this surge, causing people to see like the break of this, right? Come through, a new place for bears to go short. Now we got another bottoming tail. We are missing the trade. ah, like a double bottom here. So that's a good trade. Um, let's see. Let's see what level two says. Can we get a dip in here? Do we see this breaking 38? I don't. Not with this light volume. We've got a minute and 10 seconds to find out. I just don't see it happening. Anyway, so you should join the Discord. Okay. Nobody is there. It's literally just me. And it'd be nice to just connect with people who are passionate about trading. So yeah, why not? Come join. Oh, look at that. Inside of this candle, inside of that 5 minutes, it's going to break. It's going to try to break. Okay. Look at that. So now the next 5 minute candle should be the one, I would imagine. That's a decent dip. Let's go. We're in at 40.24. Good. Slowing way down, slowing way down. Okay. Volume's coming in, so that's good. I do think, oh geez. Oh, so at 8 o'clock, you get all this crazy action on the time and sales, which is kind of confusing for me, honestly. And look at this. Mm, I think it's gonna break for sure. Break out of that. Yeah, I think it'll go. If we can get enough buyers in here. All right, let's take a dip on this. There we go. All right, we're in at 14. Oh no. Okay, 17. Come on. That's a shame. It just doesn't have momentum. Oh, now it's going. That other one, it's gonna go. God dog it. Okay, that was a nice dip. We're topping tail. That looks good. See, I think when this breaks, it'll go, it'll find, whenever it finally does break, should break out above 450. Mm, you see how it's catching that bid there, but it just wasn't quick enough. Oh, something else is up now. CPOP. Oh, holy smokes, we gotta go. We're gonna wait for a pullback. All right, let's see what we got. The float is 13 million. It has no news on it. I always try to see if I can okay. Giant top and tail. Wow. Why? Why did this not? Like, why could I not have seen this back here? Okay, so it blew past the 200 on the daily. So we have to just kind of wait and see if it holds up. See, I mean, that's a ton of selling there. Let's see, let's see. Oh, geez. Wow, it's all over. Wow. I just don't know. It seems so risky. 50? 50? Partial fill? You just take it, 20 bucks. Mm, so the spread is crazy on this. 12-cent spread. Wow. It's just, let's just take it. We sold. Wow. Is this serious? Oh, it's so bad though. This is like I could lose $2 a share on this thing, you know? It's up for zero reason. The spread is all over the place. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Oh, partial fill. Oh, look at that. Look at that. 708. This is very difficult for me to trade. You know, let's just size down. Let's go 500 shares. Truly, I mean, the spread is 50 cents. That's that's just crazy. 30 cents. So okay, lots of sellers. Lots of sellers. Look at that selling volume just going up, 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 up. Oh no, I almost took 2,000 shares. That's my D. That's like my go-to share size on something this price. You see what I'm saying? Look at this. Okay, give it a shot. Partial fill is fine. I'm not gonna sit around and with something like this, with as crazy as the spread is, my offset is I think only a penny. So that's why I'm not getting a proper fill. And then if I were to sit around and wait for the fill, it just means that the stock is coming down, you know? So it's like I'll just take the 30 bucks or whatever that was. Okay, people in the Discord in RT's Discord, they're saying that this is a Chinese stock. Just looking at the name, it seems like it would be, honestly. Okay, 43. This thing is just all over. All right, what we want to do? We're gonna about to dip down here. Top and tail. 3 red candles. Mm, little short squeeze. I'm just gonna kind of Oh God. Wow. Yeah, let's just leave it alone. It's not snowball down. I mean, that was just a roll of the dice trade anyway, just thinking maybe it'll short squeeze. Something like this. I don't know. So I got in at, oh, just 80 cents a share. Is that all? I mean, with the crazy spread that it has, that is pretty easy to expect. So it's $400 on that trade. At least the spread is tightening a bit, you know. So that's a bit more favorable. And then, okay. Jeez, look at that. Okay. So 48. Come on now. Come on now. I think that's a solid entry. Come on. Really wish I could have just held it. But 48 wasn't that great of an entry. I guess. I don't know. All right, now we got a topping tail on the 5. I am going to I'm going to see. I mean, the next trade for us would be here. Let's just check on that other one, see how the Head and Shoulders is going. Yeah, look at that. It's coming in. Remember, we call that back here Head and Shoulders. All the way down. Press pause for a bit. Okay, so the trade that we were, the trade that could have been there for us would have been the break here, like down around 75 or so. Now you got this VWAP bounce, which I don't think will happen. It almost never does. They always force it down further. And then I think next stop for this is Christmas tree, right? All the way maybe back down to $1. There might be a few little bounces in here, but let's see. So then people are looking to see, I mean, the spread is opening up again. And did you see how it was like 11-cent spread? And so it put in a little bit of a bottoming tail, but it was really truly just because the market makers dropped that bid there. So it dropped a bid you get in and then they bring it down lower. So you really got to watch this level too. It's got a lot of information, at least for me, it does. Anyway, so now the next trade that people might look for would be $5 to hold, which, you know, who knows if it will or not, but at the end of the day, this was up for no reason. Oh, looks like it did. Looks like it did. Bottoming tail. So remember, even though, you know, there was a trade in there, just watching the level two, when this thing, we got one of two things, right? So when it comes out of this, you can start to see a squeeze. Or if the bears are aggressive enough, it's either an opportunity for bulls, right? Because they see this as a sign of a reversal, or um, just a new chance for bears to take it back shorter. I mean shorter, to take it further short. Another bottoming tail. Yeah. Only red volume, descending volume. So then you got this as another trade, right? The break of of let's see, what's the bottom of this? The low was 490, so then this broke down, and then that became a bit of a trade for the brave or the desperate. And not that, I mean, if there was a little bit more momentum, sure. Let's see. Do we get a little squeeze here? Oh, look at that spread. And then what's going? Okay. Mm, okay, no longer a bear flag. Wait for a dip here. Waiting for a dip, waiting for a dip. 80. Nope. Okay. I took a couple trades on this. Something like this, you for sure have to buy the dip, like not even a question, at least for me. And then I have to like average in for sure. Okay. Break. It's all over the place. Can't buy up there though. Honestly, probably gonna break that 760. We gotta wait. Oh, so annoying. Let's see. 70 705. We just got to be willing to hold this. Go, go, just go, just go. It's going to go. It's going to break the 760. Let's try to get a good dip entry. We missed. This thing is so all over. Okay, 35, not bad. Okay, well, it's a shame. 50, go, 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 go. Go. A little 1,000 shares. Go. If this was more stable, we could have took 2,000 shares. Okay. We gotta wait. We could have took 2,000 shares and we could have held longer. But um mm, way too often I'm giving back a ton of my gains. So okay, okay, let's just see. So maybe here, 70. Okay, okay. Look at that. Look at that. I should catch a bid here. It should catch a bid. It should catch a bid. No, it doesn't. 50. Okay, come on now. Enough is enough. Mm. Oh, it's too bad. Okay, so now as the bears bring it back, we're looking for the break of 750. A little bit further. That's their goal. Okay. We're looking for an entry on level 2, which is just not there just yet. Not yet, not yet. Okay. So now, I mean, where are we headed here? $7 gonna hold? $7 gonna hold? We're in at 707, 14. Come on. I'm just gonna sell it. Um, I didn't really have, I was just looking to see just based on level 2 alone. So I didn't really know where we might go back up to. I mean, this is a pretty giant engulfing red candle now. We know that we're looking for the break now of 769. I mean, 669. Mm, remember, this now is just that little pop, just a bear flag, bear flag. So let's just see. So then if we start to get outside of this, that's when it becomes a squeeze, opportunity for a squeeze, which is 30. So we'll look for that. It's a lot of selling, but the volume is kind of light, so they're not being too aggressive, even though, this 5 isn't looking so great. Okay, you see it? You see how it's coming outside of that now? Go. Uh, okay. I said go. 29, huh? Mm, mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Go, go, go. Yeah. What did I make? Like 10 cents or something? Not per share. I meant 10 literal cents. I don't know what I made on that trade. Okay. So now this is the next trade. Um, but the 5 is just looking not so great. But we can, okay, double bottom down here. Let's see if we get some action on level 2. Some confirmation. Yep. 99. Nope. Dang. That's too bad. Okay. So now that they're getting this breakdown, remember it didn't hold VWAP last time. And we got practically an engulfing red candle there. So let's just see. $60. 60. All right. All right. Well, and that's just 1,000 shares, right? I shouldn't have taken that trade at 60. It probably would have held closer to 50, if anything. Not sure what I was thinking. Spread is not good. $0.10 spread. Okay. 80, 90. Come on. I'm off checking a calendar right now. So I'm not looking at the screen. See what I have. Okay. So let's see. Let's just see. 36. Partial fill. So we know that we're looking for this to go a bit lower than that, where we just got in at. And when I got in at 36, I don't think that was the best, the bottom of that candle. Must have been on this candle then. Well, maybe I did. Maybe I had a decent entry. Okay, so now we've got a crossover. The 15 is going to cross here, which is even more bearish, and a topping tail on the 5s. So let's check the scanner, see what else is going on. Oh, holy smokes. Why didn't the Discord didn't call this out? Okay, so this little guy's the #1 gainer now, 9 million. Oh, I didn't pull it up over here. Okay, okay, it's got news. Okay. Oh boy. This thing is up 450%. So it goes up 39, pulls all the way back 40 cents a share, right? And one candle. So we got to be careful here. We got to be careful. Honestly, it kind of looks 50. I'm gonna take this to 37. It's stalling out right there. Okay. So look at that. Maybe it's coming back down to $1. Let's go. Let's go. Dollar. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold this little guy. Man, I really want to sell that. I really want this down. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. It was a decent dip. It's a ton of sellers over here. Okay. So we know that they're looking to break this. Gotta let it pull back a little bit more, even though it's getting a bottoming tail here. All right, let's try. Why does that not work sometimes? And then I get in at 21. Like, what? Why? Why? It's super annoying. So then where I'm in at is where people are like, oh, let's take profits here. 18. I realized that I'm averaging in 20. Just give it to me. $46. Let's go. So something like this, just so you know, I used to be a much more aggressive. I'd had like 18,000 shares or something like that. Um, So me averaging in on the, well, first of all, sometimes when I'm clicking this button, I'm just not getting in for some reason. I don't know why. So I shouldn't have been in at whatever that was, 23 in the first place. I should have been in much lower. All right, let's just kind of think about what's happening here. So, okay, let's do it like this. Well, no matter how you slice it, they're squeezing. They're squeezing. Wow. Somebody's really shorting that down. Let's see. Let's see if we can so the okay. That's a nice bottoming tail there. Wow. Wait for a dip, wait for a dip. Um Shoot. Dang, man. We messed up. 50. What the heck? 55. Oh no. Wow. 6,000 shares at 29. That is so bad. Topping tail. Wow. Mhm. We're looking for the break here. You know what? Let me size down here actually. Mm, I'm off checking my other PC now. Okay. So 35 cents a share, $1,000. Hmm. Okay. Oh, lost $1,000. I wonder if I was ever up on this. Hmm. So today's going to be different. So many times I, um, I'm happy that I kind of was off reading emails and stuff for this. I mean, this should bounce at some point, but I'm just going to take it easy, not force anything. Let's see if I can maybe get a few scalp trades here. Oh, it's just bear flag. My little hotkeys don't work so great when the stock starts trading underneath the dollar because I've got like a 10-cent offset to sell on the bid. And sometimes TD doesn't recognize it because they're like, oh, you know, your offset is too big or what have you. Um, and it's just only selling off. Goodness gracious. So like 89. Wow. I see old me would have been averaging down, averaging down, averaging down. Is it a bear flag or a squeeze? I think it's just gonna be a bear flag, this little guy. I just took a crazy, 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 crazy trade on this. This thing is all over the place. It's so bad. So bad. Uh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Um, oh my God, just go. Wow. 50. Wow. Let's see. Sell a bit. Nope. $17. Jeez. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. All right. Just
how does he get access to that? And what exactly is it? Are they in fact the same thing? Okay. Just kind of some info on it would be great.
All right, it's been a crazy, crazy, crazy P&L day. I didn't record everything, but I went, I was probably red $6,000 at one point. I think the most I was up, I was recording earlier, pre-market, maybe 1900 or something like that. I can't remember. But way back, way back here, man, I have such regret. So way back here is where I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take 500 shares. And I knew that we would get the break of this high a day, 49, which ended up taking forever. But I knew we would get that break. And then I knew we would see something pretty epic. People were calling out like $80 a share, but I was thinking more like 113. And I actually still am because it's only 1 o'clock. Um, but so anyways, I took on a great deal of risk trading this, like $30,000 in risk, over and over, and kept getting shook out. As you can see, I just got shook out the trade, unfortunately, and it's, I could have made a couple, maybe another 1,500. But it went into a halt before here, and then it went right back up. And so that's why I was pretty confident buying it. And then it also consolidated here in this same area previously. I'm finding support right around VWAP. I know that, this has come under VWAP due to halting down and whatnot, but it's still that same price range. So had I not been red like $6,000 earlier, I could have been much more aggressive on this, um, and just kind of taking on some risk, kind of averaging in. Although this did end up taking quite some time to finally go. But you know, this right here, 1,000 shares. This could have been an epic day. It's still, there's still potential. I am not ruling this out at all. So I just took a late trade on that. I bought the bid, by the way, not market. I guess made like 500 or so. So we knew it would be met with resistance right there. But if it breaks out of this, truly, I'm thinking we're going to go back up and through, back up and through. I have to wait for a good entry. Okay, so let's see. Uh, so pulls back. So this ultimately goes up and then pulls back like $10 a share. So we come up. Let's wait for this to pull back. I got you. You see that right there? How when you hover over by market, it's showing you what your potential price would be. It's showing that you get in literally above the ask. Just crazy. I kind of like it right there. Well, boy, up, down. Topping tail. Look at that. I'm gonna get, oh, you know what? So level one is $65, which is an even bigger spread. So the spread is, I usually look here, but I gotta look here. Wow. So $2. You know what? So let's just, I mean, so we know we want the break of 69 for sure. Uh, and we know we need some volume. We need this. So I turn my back and the break happens. Let's see. 100 shares. Oh, thank God I only did 100, huh? Whoa, 200. How is that? What is this? 70. Why is this weird like this? Oh, I guess this is, nah, goodness. Okay. Mm, 70. Wow. I just missed a really nice dip, huh? I'm in $1 a share above market price. Bottoming tail. Ah, boy, that's not good. $2 a share. I mean, the spread is ridiculous. So, yep. Think of that seller up there. Hey, it's just we won't break. Come on now. All right. Did you see how the market makers are just painting that candle here? They're just painting it. Nothing is happening to cause that price to pop up. And so now we're looking for this to break down, right? As the bulls get bulls get squeezed out of their positions. So we'll look for a pullback.